Hello everyone. Every tip I'm going to share comes from technicians who work in a very well-known appliance repair shop in the city. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution. I've been reviewing several cases in the workshop with the technicians, and the E5 error on a Crockpot Express is one of those that shows up at the worst possible moment, right when everything is ready to cook. Many customers come in saying the cooker started normally and suddenly stopped with E5, and from that point, we already know the unit is detecting a temperature issue, almost always related to overheating. Workshop technicians explain that this code doesn't appear randomly. It's a safety measure to prevent damage to the appliance. Continuing with what we see every day, there are customers who say there was very little liquid and that's when the error appeared. This detail is key because one of the most common causes is the cooker running with too little content or almost dry. Technicians often say, without enough liquid, the heat rises too fast and the machine protects itself. This happens more often than you'd think, especially with recipes that require pressure but don't have enough liquid base. As we move forward with the diagnosis, we also find cases where customers say, it did have liquid, but it still stopped with E5. At that point, we start checking the temperature sensor because it may be sending incorrect readings. Workshop technicians explain that if the sensor detects values out of range, even if they're not accurate, the system interprets it as overheating and shuts down for safety. In some models, these sensors can become more sensitive over time, which leads to these unexpected errors. On the other hand, we also come across customers who say the error appears almost immediately, like it doesn't even start properly. Here we usually check the contact between the inner pot and the heating base, because if it's not seated correctly or there's debris underneath, heat won't distribute properly. A workshop technician explains it simply. If the pot doesn't make good contact, heat concentrates unevenly and the system thinks something is wrong. Sometimes something as simple as cleaning the base or adjusting the position completely changes how the unit behaves. Continuing with what we see daily, there are also customers who say, it used to work perfectly and now it started showing this error. This leads us to check the overall wear of the heating system, since over time some components lose precision. Technicians explain that when the unit has been used heavily without maintenance, small temperature variations can be enough to trigger the E5 error.